Let's see how to find the value of the sum. If we directly combine these two fractions, so we'll get a common denominator, which is 1 plus a squared times 1 plus b squared. The first half becomes 1000 times 1 plus b squared. The second half becomes 1000 times 1 plus a squared. It seems difficult for us to find the value, so we need to figure out other methods. The key idea is to replace 1 by AB. Let's go. 1000 over 1 plus a squared plus 1000 over 1 plus b squared. So we get 1000 over 1, which is ab plus a squared. Similarly, 1000 over 1 becomes ab plus b squared. Now we factor the bottom parts. So we get 1000 over, take a out, so a times b plus a. We write as a plus b. For the second, 1000 over, take b out, so b times a plus b. We see the common denominator is a times b times a plus b. So for the first fraction, multiply b. So we get 1000 times b over ab times a plus b. For the second fraction, top and bottom multiply by a. So we get 1000 times a, the bottom, a times b times a plus b. Now we can combine them. So we get a times b times a plus b. For the top, we can take the common factor 1000 out. So we get 1000 times a plus b. We can cancel a plus b. So we get 1000 over a times b. But we know a times b equals 1. So we get 1000 over 1. So the final answer is 1000. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.